Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add people on Snapchat web. So first of all, if you're going to open your browser and search for web.snapchat.com, and here basically you can chat with your friends on Snapchat. You can basically call or video call or your friends right here. And we have also some options like the search box where you can search your friends on this option. But unfortunately, we have no options to basically add people on Snapchat web. But you can actually add people by using this Snapchat on your PC. To do that, you just need to have a Android emulator. So we're going to need to install or download Android emulator on your computer. To do that, go to the new tab here and basically search for BlueStacks. So right now, BlueStacks is very popular Android emulator. So we're going to go to the search box here. Make sure to go to the homepage, basically right here, and then select the first link. And from here, you want to install the latest version of BlueStacks 10. Once done, you'll find this option. So basically here, you just need to search for the Snapchat. Go to the search box and type Snapchat. And then from here, just need to click on play on app player and it will open up the app player from here. And then you can now use your Snapchat on your PC and you can add people on your Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you basically add people on Snapchat on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.